Hello and welcome to Mathematics Made Easier channel. This is your favorite mathematics tutor, Comfort Amuako Atta. Okay, so in our previous lesson, we started with writing of equations from words. So how to write equations from words. So we are going to continue with our studies today. A special welcome goes to those joining us for the first time. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please look down there and click on the subscribe button to subscribe. Then you also click on the notification bell to receive updates from me all the time. Thank you all for joining me this time. Okay, so now let's quickly go straight to our lesson for today. So Comfort buys organic almond priced $77 from the grocery store. How much did she pay the cashier if she received $23 in change? So how do you do this? Let's analyze the question critically. She received. So she received 23 as a change. Then he buys 77 from the grocery, but we don't know how much he paid the cashier. So how much, let's say how much will be X. All right. Then out of the X, he bought 77 from this. Okay, good. So this is the equation. The X represents the amount he used to buy whatever he bought. Then he bought 77 out of that money he gave out to the cashier. In return, he received $23. So how do you get X? So simple. When it gets here, I believe you can do it. Good job. So you just have to, so X equals your 23 plus 77. That is giving us 100. Good. So therefore, X equals 100 because 3, 7, 10, 2, 9. Okay, so 100. So it means he gave out $100. All right. Let's go to the second question. Okay, so let's see the second question. Again, Ruth and Comfort participated in a quiz contest. They scored 23 points in all. If Ruth scored 90 points, how many points did Comfort score? Okay, so let's also analyze this question. Ruth and Comfort participated, so the two of them. Then the two of them scored 23 points in all, right? So let's say Comfort is X. So Ruth and Comfort. So Ruth is X and Comfort is Y. All right. So this is for Ruth. Let me bring it down. Okay, let's see this. Good. So let me clean this from the first solution. I believe you have it now. So let's clear it to make our calculations very clear. Oh, sorry. Okay. All right. So we have Ruth and Comfort. Okay, so let's use RNC. RNC, I think RNC is also very interesting. You can use any variable at all. Remember, variable is an unknown figure or unknown number that we have to find. Okay, good. So roots and comfort. So this becomes roots plus comfort. And in all, they scored 23 points. If roots scored 9 points, so roots becomes 9 plus C, comfort, which is unknown, equals the total points scored, 23. All right, good. So now how do we find the number of scores or points that comfort scored? So this becomes C equals your 23, then you move this one minus 9. Or you now find the inverse operation of the 9. So this becomes 9 minus 9, because the inverse operation of positive 9 becomes negative 9. So 9 minus 9 plus C, whatever I do to the left-hand side, do the same thing to the right-hand side. So equals 23 minus 9. That gave us this. So this is giving us 0 plus C equals, what is 23 minus 9? Be smart. Okay. All right, so put a final answer there. Okay, so now let's come to this. The next one. Okay. Okay, let's come to the next one. I'll do the last one for you and you'll do the rest. John was gifted a pack of crayons. We don't know the pack, the number that was given to John. He gave 13 crayons out of the whole to his friend. Okay. Yeah, whatever. It's a name, so you can put your name there. And was left with how many? 11 crayons. How many crayons did the pack contain? So with this one, again, you don't know the total that was given to John. So let's say the total becomes X. Then out of the total, he gave out 13. Oh, that was so kind of John. Then he was left with what? 11. So now we are to find the total crayons that was given to John. All right. So this now becomes to find the inverse operation of the negative 13 here. That is good, positive 13. So you have X minus 13 plus 13, good, equals 11 plus 13. We are getting the final answer as X. You know this is given as 0. So X equals, what is 11 plus 13? So we have 4, we have 2, 24. That is so simple. That is how to analyze questions involving how to write equations from words or from sentences. Okay. Now I'll leave the rest for you as your homework. So let me clean what you just did so that you can do this and bring your solutions at the comment section. When you see me in class, you can give me your answers. All right? Good. Okay, so I'll leave you with number 4 and number 5. That's all. Okay. So Smith and his friends are gaming online on a popular website. An hour later, 6 friends go offline. 5 of them continue playing. How many of them were gaming online initially? That's the total. You don't know. So you can represent it with a variable. Don't forget. Represent it with any letter that you want. Then Trevor takes up a test at school and completes it in an hour. The test has 2 sections. If he takes 35 minutes to complete the first section, how much time does he have left to complete the second section? Always, if you don't know the initial or if you don't know something, represented, that becomes your variable for you to now work out to get a value of that variable. Thank you so much for your time and attention. I believe this tutorial was helpful. If it was, give me a thumbs up down, give me a thumbs up. All right, so, and also do not forget to share the links to your friends to also enjoy this lesson. Thank you. So we meet again. Please stay safe and let heart. Bye.